Grow your own food on a budget, a beginner's guide. Tired of expensive grocery bills, but dreaming of fresh, homegrown produce? You don't need a huge garden or a fat wallet to enjoy delicious, healthy food straight from your backyard or balcony. Let's dive into how you can grow your own food on a budget. The first step to a budget-friendly garden is smart planning. Don't just plant anything. Think about what you and your family actually enjoy eating. This will prevent wasted effort and resources on vegetables that end up going to waste. Consider your local climate. Research which vegetables and herbs thrive in your area. Local nurseries and online resources are great for finding this information. Seeds are significantly cheaper than buying seedlings. Starting from seed allows you to grow a wider variety of plants for a fraction of the cost. Look for seed sales at the end of the season or during the off-season. Begin with easy-to-grow options. Lettuce, radishes, beans, basil, and mint are all beginner-friendly and relatively inexpensive to start from seed. These are also very rewarding to grow. Check for local seed swaps or community gardens. These are fantastic resources for obtaining free seeds and connecting with other gardeners in your area. You might even find some rare or heirloom varieties. Don't have a sprawling backyard? No problem. Container gardening is perfect for small spaces like balconies, patios, and even windowsills. You can grow a surprising amount of food in containers. Use pots, buckets, or any other container you can find. Just make sure they have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Drainage is crucial for healthy plant growth. Get creative with repurposing. Old milk jugs, plastic bottles, and even pallets can be transformed into planters. This is a great way to reduce waste and save money. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Instead of buying expensive potting mix, consider making your own compost. Composting is a fantastic way to recycle kitchen and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil. Start a compost bin in your backyard or use a small composting system indoors. There are many different composting methods to choose from, so find one that suits your space and lifestyle. Compost ingredients include food scraps, vegetable peels, coffee grounds, yard waste, leaves, grass clippings, and paper products, shredded newspaper, cardboard. Avoid adding meat, dairy, or oily foods to your compost bin. Check if your local municipality offers free or cheap compost. Many cities and towns have composting programs that provide residents with access to high-quality compost at a reduced price. This can be a great alternative if you don't have the space or time to compost yourself. Watering efficiently is essential for both plant health and saving money on your water bill. Water deeply but less frequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. This encourages deep root growth. Water at the base of the plants, avoiding wetting the foliage. Wet foliage can lead to fungal diseases. Early morning watering is ideal, as it allows the leaves to dry before nightfall. Prevent pests by choosing disease-resistant varieties of vegetables and herbs. These varieties are less susceptible to common garden pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical treatments. Use natural pest control methods. Companion planting, planting certain plants together that benefit each other, soapy water sprays, and neem oil are all effective and affordable ways to control pests. The best part of growing your own food is harvesting and enjoying the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Fresh, homegrown produce tastes amazing and is packed with nutrients. Harvest your vegetables and herbs when they are ripe and ready to eat. Regular harvesting encourages continued production. Share your bounty with friends and neighbors. Growing your own food on a budget is absolutely achievable. With a little planning, creativity, and effort, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce without breaking the bank. Remember these key steps: plan what you'll eat, repurpose containers, compost your waste, and be patient. Gardening takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your budget-friendly garden today. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and let us know in the comments what you're planning to grow this season. Happy gardening!